Today, I want to show you a really easy and quick way to start using Claude Code for free. Now, Claude Code is a super powerful tool. It's absolutely amazing to use, but a lot of people don't want to get like a paid plan with Claude, or they don't want to spend on API tokens, etc. So a really good option that you've got here is you can use something called Ollama. Now, you can download Ollama for free. It's available at ollama.com. And then from here, you can actually start using this. And you can use these models with OpenClaude as well. I'll show you how in a second, right? So a super quick tutorial, but basically, if I wanted to use, say, GLM 4.7 Flash, which is right up there with tools like Claude, really powerful model, I can actually run this locally. So if I copy this command like so, we're going to go back to our terminal like this. And then what I'm going to do is just make sure I have Ollama set up and running. So you can see Ollama is running over here. So make sure you have that open. Then from here, what you're going to do is just make sure that you have GLM 4.7 Flash running, or whichever model you want to use. It doesn't have to be GLM 4.7 Flash. This is just a model that I actually like, right? That is beginning to run right here, right? So that's actually running locally. So we can run models for free locally with Ollama, but that's not the point here. The point is we want to start using this with other models that are super useful, right? So what we can do is we can, now that we've got the running inside the terminal, we can go over here and we can start using this with other applications. So if we wanted to use Claude Code for free, well, we could use Claude Code for free with Ollama directly, right? So if I go to a new terminal here, new window, and I plug in that command, that's going to launch Claude Code with GLM 4.7 Flash, right? So a lot of people say like, oh, you know, I love Claude Code, but you know, I struggle with the API tokens or that sort of thing. Well, with GLM 4.7 Flash, this is a local model that you can run for free with Claude Code, right? And then you can start using the power of it, right? So you can see like, let's say, for example, build a quick, simple landing page about SEO, and then they'll actually start beginning. That's crazy. It's using my name, Julian. That's insane. I don't know if that must be a coincidence. I don't think that's like customized to me, surely. But basically, it's beginning to do that, as you can see right now, right? And it will just initialize and start using Claude Code. We can do the same thing with OpenClaude as well. So if you want to run OpenClaude completely for free, you can do the same thing, right? So you can see over here, can begin to use that. And you see how OpenClaude is now beginning to use this directly. We can use Claude Code directly. And then also we can use OpenClaude for free with Ollama here, right? So what we do is we click on yes, proceed. You see how Claude Code is running for free. And we can use both OpenClaude and Claude Code for free now using this method, right? So you can see here, the gateway is configured with OpenClaude 2. And then if we go to our gateway, we've now got this running directly with OpenClaude, right? So we've got OpenClaude running for free with the local model from Ollama. So if you want to get free access to Claude Code and to OpenClaude, this is how you can do it in just a few clicks like you've seen today. Depending on the model that you use, it may use more power. So if you want something super, super lightweight, you can use like Gemma 3B locally. I don't know if that works with powerful tools like OpenClaude, but if you want something powerful, then just install a more powerful open source local model, right? And then we can just test here. Are you working? And now we've got Claude Code running over here, and we've got OpenClaude coding over here. And you can see an example of how we check if it's working with the right model. So yesterday, for example, I said, what API are you running on? It said you're running through Ollama on this Mac Studio with GLM 4.7 Flash currently loaded, right? So that's how you can get free access to both Claude Code and to OpenClaude using this process. Super simple and easy. Let's see what we got in the questions. So Tacit says how to use Claude Code for free. Don't use Claude Code. Well, you can use Claude Code for free. Just use Ollama instead to power Claude Code. Christopher says, with Claude installed locally, is it free? Yes, as you've seen today. Bear in mind, like you're not using the Claude API. You're using the API from Ollama inside Claude Code. So is that going to be 4.6 or the quant? Well, it's going to be. So it's going to be Claude Code running with whatever API you're running locally, right? So for example, if you're running GLM 4.7 Flash locally, then that's the API that's running through Claude Code. Flavin says, can Ollama run it for free 24/7? Yeah, so if you're running a local model, yes, then it's free 24/7, right? If you're running a cloud-based model, then there's token limits, and that's totally different. But we're running local models today. Next, Tana says, how to download in Windows. So I guess it would be the same thing, same process. If you, yeah. But I think there'll be instructions on the website as well on how to do that. Flavin says, can you run GLM5 with Ollama? Can it work with M1 Mac Pro? How much can you use? Is it limited? All right, so lots of questions there, lots of questions. All right, so let's have a look at GLM5. So GLM5 on the website, you can see it right here. It is a cloud-based model on Ollama, so you're not running it locally. If you run a cloud-based model, that means it is limited within sessions usage and that sort of thing. So you're better off using something like GLM 4.7 Flash. When it comes to requirements for your laptop and that sort of thing, it depends like what you're on, what you're running in the background as well and that sort of thing. So I'm running a Mac Studio, and that's why I can run a powerful model like GLM 4.7 Flash. If you're ever unsure about the technical requirements for the hardware that you're using, then just ask Claude Code, something like that, right? Like you're going to get a better answer from Claude Code than you are from someone like me. Liber says installing Claude Code locally requires high compute. Depends what model you use, right? Like I said, if you're using something like Google Gemma 3.4b, then that's super lightweight for basically anything. It's actually, there's some models that are designed for mobile devices, even like Gemma 3.4b, and that's why they run so fast locally. Katana says, we can use Gemini also, is free of cost. Not sure about that. Not sure about that. If you're using the APIs, it's going to be paid, right? D says, is GLM Flash enough to write code? Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, like even with lightweight models, you can run code, you can build code. So something like GLM 4.7 Flash, for example, is one of the best models in the world. Like it's right up there with some of the best ones. Christopher says, thank you, happy to help. LM Studio did introduce the Anthropic API too. We're using Ollama today to do this. Can you make a video? I cannot get it. That's what we're doing today. And yeah, that's basically it. So thanks very much for watching this. If you haven't already, check out the AI Profit Boarding. If you like stuff like this, then you'll like the AI Profit Boarding. This is my AI automation community that shows you how to save time, scale your business, and grow with AI.